this is Alex Steele back with another ModShapes, and today I'm going to show you how we fix the problem of the screw just moving on the glass when you try to level the bed. Now I got this Thingiverse file, and I'll put a link to it in the description if you're curious about the original, and I did a remix on this. I brought the mesh in, and I basically recreated this from scratch. The original was much taller and also a little bit shorter, so the new one is a little different. And here's how they turned out, and this is how we install them. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. We put out new videos as time and quality allows.